This is a guide video for unboxing the e-bike BK10. Open the box and take it out. Remove all the packages. Unfold the frame and lock it. Insert the riser along the groove, then clip it. Adjust the handlebar and the riser. Install the saddle and tighten it. Fixing the fender bracket with screws. Install the left pedal by turning counterclockwise with a number 15 open-end wrench. Install the right pedal in the opposite way. Clip the front reflector onto the handlebar, then tighten it. Install the bell. Fix the wheel reflectors. Power on and test the e-bike. Check on the lights, gears, and brake. Please have a full charge before a go.